as we're supposed to be this massive rotation to value stocks from growth stocks, what does that actually mean? There's a lot of people talking about it, and they're saying that's why most of the market is falling and very few stocks are rising, but they never name the stocks and they never say what they mean by value. Okay, so let me name some names that are making waves in the markets at the moment and share them with you. So let's start off with one hypothesis, which is this. Which stocks have been up in the past fortnight whilst the market has fallen sharply? Which are out of the S&P 500, because we've got to pick some universe, so that's 500 stocks to pick from. They've got a volatility below 20%, because I don't want them to be very volatile stocks. And by the way, as a rule of thumb, 20% volatility you can read as a 40% chance of dropping 20% within 12 months. Okay, PEG ratio, price earnings growth, measure of valuation below 1. Price earnings, another measure of valuation below 25. But I also want to make sure they've got other good characteristics. Cash flow, cash return on capital invested above 10%. And I have my own formula, as you will know if you follow me, valuation, growth, income. So look at other metrics of value, revenue growth, and dividend yields and the like. I want that to be greater than 6 out of 10. Those are the names which come up. Okay, so that's it. I mean, they're the names that come up. I'm not necessarily recommending them. I'm just telling you they've been up. They look like value stocks. There's quite a few hedge funds who happen to also own them. I don't own any of those at the moment. Just sharing the thesis along those lines. Okay, watch my other videos on my Telegram channel and on my LinkedIn and on my YouTube. And I'll go through, well, how do you know when to buy into a dip and what to do if your stocks have fallen. So a lot more besides this. Thank you.